If you've been shopping for a Jeep Cherokee, you've probably encountered the Pentastar 3.2-liter V6. It might not be as well known as its bigger sibling, the 3.6 Pentastar, but don't be fooled. This engine has plenty of its own strengths. Owners love its smooth power delivery, respectable fuel efficiency, and solid reliability. But how does it compare in real-world driving? And what should potential buyers know before choosing it? Let's dive into the origins, performance, strengths, and common concerns surrounding this versatile V6. The Pentastar engine family, introduced in 2011 by FCA, now Stellantis, was designed to replace multiple older V6 designs offering better efficiency, power, and refinement. The 3.2 Pentastar, introduced in 2014, is a downsized version of the 3.6. It maintains the same fundamental architecture, but with a smaller displacement to optimize fuel economy and balance for mid-size vehicles. Despite its smaller size, it retains a strong reputation for performance, durability, and smooth operation. So how does the 3.2 Pentastar perform on the road? 271 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute, torque 239 lb-ft at 4,400 revolutions per minute, fuel economy 19 mpg city and 27 mpg highway, acceleration time from 0 to 60 miles per hour, approximately 7.5 seconds, driving experience. Strong mid-range torque makes it feel lively when merging onto highways or tackling hills. In the Jeep Cherokee, it's a great match for off-road adventures, especially with Jeep's active drive 4x4 systems. Compared to turbocharged 4 cylinders, the 3.2 V6 offers smoother power delivery with no turbo lag. Transmission pairing typically mated to a 9-speed automatic ZF9 GP, which is smooth but sometimes criticized for hesitations in gear selection. Aluminum construction, lightweight aluminum block and heads enhance efficiency. Dual overhead camshafts, DOHC, with variable valve timing, VVVT, improve power and economy. Optimized combustion chamber and high-flow intake ports boost performance. Electronic control ensures smooth throttle response. Integrated exhaust manifold reduces weight, improves warm-up times and enhances durability. Sequential multi-port fuel injection. Unlike modern direct injection systems, multi-port fuel injection (MPFI) helps reduce carbon buildup. Some owners experience a ticking noise due to rocker arm cam follower failures, which can lead to misfires and camshaft damage if left untreated. Symptoms: audible ticking noise from the engine. Check engine light. Misfires in specific cylinders. Solution: replacing affected rocker arms and lifters before further damage occurs. The plastic oil filter housing is prone to cracking, leading to oil leaks. Symptoms: oil spots under the vehicle, lower oil levels between changes, oil residue around the filter housing. Solution: consider an upgraded aluminum oil filter housing for better durability. Thermostats may stick open or closed, causing overheating or inefficient temperature control. Symptoms: engine overheating warnings, fluctuating temperature gauge readings, poor cabin heating. Solution: replacing the thermostat at the first sign of failure prevents cooling system damage. In AWD-equipped vehicles, the PTU can fail, leading to loss of power transfer to the rear wheels. Symptoms: unusual noises during acceleration, AWD system warning lights. Intermittent AWD failures. Solution: checking PTU fluid levels and replacing worn components early helps prevent expensive repairs. Some cases of premature camshaft and lifter wear have been reported, leading to misfires and reduced performance. Symptoms: engine misfires, reduced power output, metallic noises from the engine. Solution: using high-quality synthetic oil and following proper oil change intervals can extend component life. The 3.2-liter Pentastar V6 is an underrated engine that delivers a great balance of power, efficiency, and durability. While it may not get as much attention as the 3.6 version, it remains a solid choice for mid-size vehicles, especially the Jeep Cherokee. With proper maintenance, this engine can last well beyond 300,000 miles, making it a reliable workhorse for daily driving and light off-roading. Like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss interesting information about the world of cars. Be in touch soon, more to come.